Hi everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Today I have another unboxing for you guys. This is a special edition box by Lookfantastic and it is to celebrate the Chinese New Year. The New Year is February 5th, so this Tuesday, and it is the year of the pig. This Chinese New Year beauty box has 8 products in here, skincare and cosmetics, and it sells for $103. It is a little bit pricey, but the 8 products that are here are worth approximately $350. So you're getting a pretty good deal to celebrate the new year. So yeah, if you like the products that are in this box, this is a pretty good deal. And as of today, this is Sunday. Hopefully this video will be up Monday, February 4th, the day before the new year. Lookfantastic still has it available on their website. Now I will say this, I did order this on, let me look here, January 15th, and it finally came yesterday, February 2nd. So it took almost 3 weeks to get here. I don't know why it took that long to get to my house. I know one of my friends, Monica from Beauty Wonderful Times, she got hers a week ago. I don't know, because I'm in a smaller town that it came a little bit late. I don't know, so you may want to put that into consideration if you're thinking about getting this box. But I'm really excited that I did, because there are products in here that I really wanted to try, and for $103, you know, you're getting this box worth $350, so it's not bad. All right, here it is right here. It's got a beautiful lid. I mean, that is really beautiful. I'm sorry, but I don't know what this means. I know it says Lookfantastic here in the middle, but it's a really beautiful box, and I think I want to keep this one. Kind of matches my shirt almost. Almost. This is brighter. All right, let's open this. Now, I know they always like to put a saying inside their lid. All right, here it just says 2019, and it has some Chinese writing in there. So you have 2019 and like 2 barcodes there. But I have to say that the lid is really beautiful. Let me give you another close-up view of that. I mean, look at the detail in that. Alright, it comes with a little card, pretty much the same thing that was on the lid. 2019, Lookfantastic. And it gives you a little explanation of what's in here. And it tells you the name of the product in English, and pretty much everything else is written in Chinese. And it comes wrapped like the regular Lookfantastic beauty box. Let's go ahead and see what's in here. And here's what you get inside. I think we're getting some nice products in here. First product I'm going to pull out here, this is by Moisturizing, really beautiful brand from Hungary. And I know that this product alone costs $90, so you're pretty much, it's paying for itself right there. And this is the Oxygen Booster. You have a ½ ounce in here, 15 mils. And I'm going to read on the website to let you know what this product is about. It says to breathe new life into tired skin with this revitalizing boost of liquid oxygen. In the form of a cooling and soothing gel, this infuses the skin with oxygen molecules, leaving skin nourished and hydrated. Leaving skin smooth and plump, this booster resurfaces wrinkles and smooths the skin. Okay? I'm all about soothing and smoothing and plumping my skin, so this is really nice with oxygen too. Alright, next you have something for the hair. Grow Gorgeous Back into the Roots 10-minute Stimulating Scalp Mask. Okay. It's ideal for flat or lifeless hair. This cooling and ultra-stimulating mask contains volume-boosting vitamins, hyaluronic acid, and caffeine to improve circulation. And you get a large amount of product here. Ooh, I think it opened up. Yeah, I think this one kind of opened up. Hope you can see that there. It smells good though. It smells very pepperminty. Yeah, it did spill out a little bit, but I'll clean that out. And it does come with a little applicator to concentrate it in the roots. And let me see how many ounce, 8 fluid ounce of product in here. We have another thing for the hair. This one's by Kerastase. This is the Reflection Band Chromatique shampoo. Nice travel size of this. This shampoo gently cleanses hair to protect and maintain colored hair. It utilizes System Capture Advanced to neutralize environmental aggressors, preventing color hair from fading. Alright, that's nice because I just colored my hair last week. Need to keep this color going. Alright, we have a makeup here, a blush, it looks like, by Illamasqua. And this is in the shade Katie. That's a pretty soft hue pink. And this blusher is a buildable neutral shade of pink. Next, you have a product here by Erno Laszlo, Hydrate and Nourish. This is the Phytolite Night Cream. I got another one of this in an advent calendar, so I may just put this one in a future giveaway. I haven't used it yet because I'm trying to finish up some of the other products that I'm using because I don't want to open up too many products. But I'm glad I got another one to put in a future giveaway. And this night cream boasts a light and non-greasy formula that leaves skin plumped and repaired. This cream has a pH level that maintains fatty acid levels in the skin. Alright, you have something here by Madeira. This is the Instant Moisturizing Radiant Hydra Mask. I did get a sample of this in one of my beauty boxes several months ago, and I really like this mask. It does give you some moisture, and I'm glad I got a full size. This looks like a full size. You get 2 ounces of product in here. Designed to provide immediate comfort to dull and tired skin, this mask visibly reduces any tight or lackluster skin. And it says it contains hyaluronic acid and moisturizing sugars that creates a protective barrier that prevents future dehydration. Which is nice. All right, got a full size of that. And I checked, and this mask costs $46.50. So this is a really nice box. Really nice so far. All right, here you have a product here by Oskia, Renaissance Cleansing Gel. Purify and cleanse the skin with this lightly scented rose gel cleanser. Contains vitamin C and E as well as fruit enzymes. It says here that this is a non-foaming cleanser, so if you don't like the foam, this is really nice. It's a gel to oil cleanser that will leave the skin balanced and feeling clean. And you have 35 ml of product in here, 1.18 fluid ounce. All right, and the last product in here, yes, this is the last one. Another one by Moisturizing. This is the Balancing Moisturizer, and you get 1 ounce of product here. So you're getting 2 Moisturizing products in this box. This balancing moisturizer promotes a smooth, healthy-looking complexion. It absorbs quickly into the skin. Promoting a smooth and healthy-looking complexion, this moisturizer absorbs quickly into the skin. And let me tell you, the products that I'm using by Moisturizing, it has been really nice. I'm almost finished with the, I believe, the Illuminating Moisturizer. I really do like that, and I'm glad I have a backup. I know it's not the same as the Illuminator. This is the balancing one, but I have another moisturizing cream from Moisturizing, and this one costs approximately $80. So you're getting 2 products from Moisturizing. This one costs $90 and this one costs $80. $170. This box paid for itself twice or 3 times. So I'm not good in math, but yeah, this is a really nice box. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of the Chinese New Year Special Edition box by Lookfantastic. And I do have to say, you're getting great products in here for a good price. That's just my opinion. It costs $103 and you're getting great products in here that are worth approximately $350. So that is pretty much, my opinion, a good deal. And if you like the products that I showed that was in this box, you know, I'd jump on the chance before they sell out because some of these special edition boxes, they do sell out. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful day and happy Chinese New Year. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.